Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to download and install 2xko on your PC quickly and easily.
Step 1. Check system requirements before downloading. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements for 2xko, RAM, storage, and GPU. Step 2. Download the installer. Go to the official 2xko website or a trusted source. Find the PC version, Windows or Mac if available. Click download and wait for the file to finish. Step 3. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded file, usually in Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start installation. If Windows asks, click Yes to allow changes. Step 4. Follow installation prompts. Choose the installation folder, or leave default. Click Next until you reach Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Launch the game once installed. Click Finish. Open 2xko from the desktop shortcut or Start menu. Log in or set up your account if required. Step 6. Update and configure settings. Check for updates within the game launcher. Adjust graphics, audio, and control settings for the best experience.